Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here 5 different anions are given. One is ethyl anion, another is ethinyl anion, another is ethynyl anion, and you have OH minus and NH2 minus. You have to arrange all the anion by basicity. Here answer lies in the basic fact, which is good electron donor is the good base. According to Lewis concept, base has to donate the electron. Here the electronegativity decides the electron donating ability. The electronegativity of hybridization sp and sp2 sp3, more the s character, more will be the electronegative. If you look at the oxygen and nitrogen, oxygen is more electronegative and nitrogen is the least one. By using this fact, you can find the order. First one will be the ethyl anion, because CH3 is the electron donating group, increase the electron density. sp2 hybridized carbon because of the electronegativity. Then NH2 minus comes because nitrogen is least electronegative. Then sp hybridization, which is more electronegative. Least one will be the oxygen. Here you have to know the fact here is the effect of hybridization is lesser than the inductive effect. So the order will be from effect of inductive to hybridization. Effect of inductive to hybridization. Here the concept you have to learn here is electron withdrawing group decrease the electron density, create the poor base. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.